In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookmark in Brave browser. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the platform, bookmarking is an essential skill for efficient browsing. It allows you to save your favorite websites and return to them with ease. Let's get started by launching the Brave browser on your device. This is the foundational step as you cannot bookmark a page without first opening your browser. Brave is known for its privacy features and speed, making it a popular choice among users. Ensure your browser is updated for the best experience. Once the Brave browser is open, navigate to the website you want to bookmark. This can be any page that you find useful or interesting. Using the address bar, type in the URL or use a search engine to find it. This step is crucial because you need to be on the exact page you wish to save for future reference. Now, let's move on to the next step. Click the star icon located inside the URL address bar. This icon is the key to saving your bookmarks. It's designed to be easily accessible so you can add bookmarks with just a simple click. This small action saves you a lot of time when you want to revisit the page later. With the star icon clicked, you'll see a prompt to choose a name for your bookmark. Here, you have the option to type a custom title if desired. Naming your bookmark helps you identify it quickly, especially if you have a lot of bookmarks. A meaningful name can make all the difference when searching through your list later. After you've named your bookmark, it's time to select a folder. You can choose the bookmarks bar or another folder that you've created. Organizing your bookmarks into folders keeps your browsing experience tidy and efficient. It allows you to categorize websites based on your interests or needs, saving you time when searching for a particular page. Finally, click Done to save your bookmark. This confirms your changes and ensures the bookmark is stored correctly. You'll notice a confirmation appear, indicating that the process is complete. Now your bookmarked page is just a click away, ready for you to access anytime you need it. As we wrap up, remember that bookmarks are powerful tools for improving your browsing efficiency. They help you keep track of important information and reduce the time spent searching for frequently visited sites. Take a moment to review your bookmarks periodically, organizing them as needed. That concludes our tutorial on how to bookmark in Brave browser. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. With these steps, you'll be able to organize and access your favorite websites effortlessly. Until next time, happy browsing.